Hi guys, welcome to Small Kitchen Tales. Today we'll be making sprouted green gram dosa. So you need to soak green gram beforehand for this and let it sprout. Take 1.5 cup of sprouted green gram and put it into a blender. Add in 2 to 3 chillies, some sliced ginger, 2 teaspoons jeera, and half a cup of water. And blend this mixture into a smooth paste and keep it aside. Take a bowl and transfer the blended mixture. At this point you can add some more water to adjust the consistency. Add half cup of rice flour. I'm adding it in batches to avoid lumps. Mix it well. Make sure there are no lumps while you're mixing. You can also use a whisk to mix. Make a smooth batter like this and add some salt. Give it a light mix and our batter is now ready. Heat a non-stick tawa on medium heat and pour in the dosa batter and spread it gently like this. Don't press it too hard, otherwise it will stick to the tawa. As I'm using non-stick, I'm not adding any oil here. Add some onions. You can also add some carrots and coriander if you want. And pat it with your spatula while it's still raw. Make sure you're cooking this dosa on a medium flame. Cover and cook it for 15 seconds. And after that, remove the lid and cook it for another 20 to 30 seconds. Once you see there's a brown lining, you can remove your dosas and cook on the other side. You can also add some ghee and oil at this point if you want. And now our dosas are ready. I'm making more dosas in a similar way here. At any point, if you feel your dosas are sticking to the tawa, you can add in more rice flour to your batter and they'll come out perfectly. Our dosas are now ready to be served. This is perfectly healthy and it's really yummy too. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more recipes. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.